If you're having trouble unlocking the multiplayer feature in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, multiplayer features may be temporarily unavailable due to maintenance or outages. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your gaming platform's store or library, find Apex Legends, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patch can resolve many issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher like Origin or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help fix multiplayer access problems. Step 4. Check account status. Make sure your account is in good standing and not banned or restricted. Log into your account on the official Apex Legends website to check for any notifications regarding your account status. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can resolve deeper issues that may be affecting your ability to access multiplayer features. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock and enjoy the multiplayer mode in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.